Hello everyone, good morning, another happy day. Today is 1st of November and the temperature will drop as low as 4 degrees from tomorrow and onwards. Let's start the harvest and enjoy the harvest all the way through. Wow! Wow! Look at the tuber of the KOCHU, Edosi, Taro, Dashin, Sato Imo or whatever it is. Just one plant. This is from the one plant. I planted just one, and from just one plant I guess is going to be a kilo or over a kilo of just a kilogram of just tubers. Wow, that's so cool. Look how much taro or KOCHU tuber have grown from just one plant. This is the original plant and these are all the tubers grown just from one plant. Let's try out. There's more. More tubers left there. So more than a kilo from just one plant, as you can see there. What a miracle. This one didn't do very well. I have this one, yeah, as you can see. I'm sure there's a surprise for me. Let's find out what it is. Yeah, as you can see, just one plant. This is the mother plant actually. Again, as you can see, just from one plant, look at the number of the tubers have grown all around the original plant. These are all tubers, as you can see. They're all tubers. KOCHU chora, Mukhi. Actually, this is one of the first batch of bottle gourd to be grown in this plant, but I kept it to collect the seed. So it is more than 4 months mature now, and it's fully mature, and I'm going to collect the seed to plant this bottle gourd next year and onwards. So it's fully matured now, and it's more than 3 months old. Almost 4 months old now. I've got another one over here. Again, I kept it for collecting seed. Yeah. This one, again, I kept it for collecting seeds. So there are two different types of bottle gourd. So again, I kept this one to collect seeds so that I can grow bottle gourd next year and onward from that seed. Hi everyone, As you can see here, this is the final harvest. As I said, today is 1st of November, and whatever I have grown, they have grown exceptionally well. And this year, Adosi, KOCHU, Taro, Dashin or elephant ears, whatever, or Mukhi, it is a new addition in my garden, and KOCHU as well, as you have seen in the previous video, and I will continue growing them next year as well. So if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button and share with others. And if you are new to the channel, as I always request you, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.